Hello guys, welcome back to Lit Quiz Lab. Today we are doing a quiz challenge on one of the most important novels in English literature, A Passage to India by E.M. Forster. This quiz will help you prepare for exam and test your knowledge of the novel's characters, themes and important details. You will get 4 options for each question and after a 5-second pause, I will reveal the correct answer. So get ready, let's begin. First question is, who is the author of A Passage to India? Option A Rudyard Kipling, option B E.M. Forster, option C George Orwell, option D D.H. Lawrence. The correct answer is B E.M. Forster. Next question is, in which year was A Passage to India first published? Option A 1924, option B 1910, option C 1935, option D 1940. The correct answer is A, 1924. Next question is, the novel A Passage to India is set in which country? Option A England, option B India, option C Egypt, option D South Africa. The correct answer is B, India. Next question is, what is the name of the fictional city in which much of the novel takes place? Option A Chandrapur, option B Lahore, option C Delhi, option D Kolkata. The correct answer is A, Chandrapur. Next question is, who is Dr. Aziz's close British friend in the novel? Option A Cyril Fielding, option B Ronnie Heaslop, option C Richard Morey, option D Mr. Turton. The correct answer is A, Cyril Fielding. Next question is, what incident becomes the turning point of the novel? Option A mosque meeting, option B Marabar Caves incident, option C tea party, option D trial of Aziz. The correct answer is B, Marabar Caves incident. Next question is, who accuses Dr. Aziz of assault? Option A Mrs. Morey, option B Edla Quested, option C Stella Morey, option D Nancy Turton. The correct answer is B, Edla Quested. Next question is, what is Mrs. Morey's relationship to Ronnie's Hislop? Option A mother, option B sister, option C aunt, option D wife. The correct answer is A, mother. Next question is, what profession does Dr. Aziz belong to? Option A lawyer, option B teacher, option C doctor, option D magistrate. The correct answer is C, doctor. Next question is, what is the main theme of A Passage to India? Option A colonialism and racial tension, option B industrialization, option C feminism, option D romantic love. The correct answer is A, colonialism and racial tension. Next question is, who organizes the Tea Party to bridge the gap between Indians and the British? Option A Mrs. Morey, option B Adla Quested, option C Mr. Turton's wife, option D Professor Godbole. The correct answer is C, Mr. Turton's wife. Next question is, what do the Marabar Caves symbolize? Option A hope and unity, option B confusion and emptiness, option C beauty and spirituality, option D colonial power. The correct answer is B, confusion and emptiness. Next question is, what is the name of Indian professor in the novel? Option A Dr. Aziz, option B Professor Godbole, option C Mahmood Ali, Option D. Hamidullah. The correct answer is B. Professor Godbole. Next question is, what does the echo in the caves represent? Option A. Human misunderstanding. Option B. Colonial domination. Option C. Romantic love. Option D. Natural beauty. The correct answer is A. Human misunderstanding. Next question is, which religion does Professor Godbole follow? Option A. Islam. Option B. Hinduism. Option C. Christianity. Option D. Buddhism. The correct answer is B. Hinduism. Next question is, what happens to Mrs. Moray after the cave incident? Option A. She dies on her way back to England. Option B. She returns to Chandrapur. Option C. She testifies in court. Option D. She marries again. The correct answer is A. She dies on her way back to England. Next question is, who defends Dr. Aziz during his trial? Option A. Ronnie Heaslop. Option B. Cyril Fielding. Option C. Mahmood Ali. Option D. Hamidullah. The correct answer is C. Mahmood Ali. Next question is, how does Adla Quested realize Aziz is innocent? Option A. She confesses in court. Option D. Mrs. Moray tells her. Option C. Fielding shows her evidence. Option D. God Bole convinces her. The correct answer is A. She confesses in court. Next question is, what does the title A Passage to India suggest? Option A. Journey to understand Indian culture. Option B. Political independence. Option C. Romance between East and West. Option D. Geographical exploration. The correct answer is A. A journey to understand Indian culture. Next question is, what literary style is the novel known for? Option A. Realism with symbolism. Option B. Surrealism. Option C. Expressionism. Option D. Romanticism. The correct answer is A. Realism with symbolism. Next question is, what is the climax of the novel? Option A. The trial of Dr. Aziz. Option B. The Tea Party. Option C. Mrs. Morris' death. Option D. Adla's proposal. The correct answer is A. The Trial of Dr. Aziz. Next question is, how does the novel end? Option A. Aziz and Fielding part as friends. Option B. They separate due to politics and colonial tension. Option C. Adla returns to India. Option D. Mrs. Moray reappears. The correct answer is B. They separate due to politics and colonial tension. Next question is, what does Forster emphasize through Fielding character? Option A. Friendship beyond race. Option B. Western superiority. Option C. Religious devotion. Option D. Economic progress. The correct answer is A. Friendship beyond race. Next question is, which famous line is associated with the novel's theme of division? Option A. No, not yet. Said the earth. No, not there. Option B. East is east and west is west. Option C. God save the queen. Option D. A sun never sets on the British Empire. The correct answer is A. No, not yet, said the earth. No, not there. Next question is, what is the novel's overall message? Option A. True friendship is impossible under colonial rule. Option B. India should remain under British control. Option C. Religion can unite all. Option D. The British were always right. The correct answer is A. A true friendship is impossible under colonial rule. So that is all for today. That was our 25 important MCQs quiz challenge on A Passage to India by E.M. Forster. If you got most of them correct, then great job. Your exam is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Lit Quiz Lab for more quizzes. See you in the next video.